Sometimes you're just not going to be able to escape robocalls. Now, there is a time and place to be able to use AI for follow up when it's done professionally and with compliance. Currently, right now, my agency has experienced bot, a bot invasion of robocalls, and it's slamming my line. And the reason why I want to show that you can actually fight back when you have the right frameworks and the right systems is for a couple reasons. When it comes to technically being able to text outbound with a business and call outbound with robocalling, there is such thing that is very important, which is called being A2P compliant. The major phone carriers have regulations and rules, but unfortunately, the bots and the AI, the robocallers, have become smarter and they started cloaking telephone numbers. So it's like this. They hide behind a telephone number and they're not playing by the rules. And so then, they hit your dashboard. But here's how you can at least stop some of the calling, not completely stop it, but so that it doesn't clutter up your CRM. I'm currently working on the inside of my live account. I do use voice AI to be able to handle my calling. I currently use it for my inbound. Eventually, I will set it up for outbound. But today's problem is there is a bunch of fake calls that are telling me that I need to update my Google listing or I'm going to lose my Google listing. So when it comes to prompt engineering, it's a fancy term for being able to give a set of instructions to an AI bot like I am. This is what I did. And I put in here a set of rules. And I want you to take a look at this from a couple different standpoints. One, if you're brand new to using AI, then you definitely have to join my Build AI Live with me. Okay. I show how to set up some of the basics. So be sure to check that out. Now, when it comes to being able to make your bot intelligent, yes, AI bots can be intelligent. They are as intelligent as how you set them up. So now what's going to happen is I've amped up my prompt and my instructions for my bot so that it's a non-negotiable that if a caller calls in or a robocaller, then it says it's scaring like a business owner. And if you are a business owner, take a deep breath. Don't take any of these fake, bogus phone calls. Instead, get the same framework that I'm using because this can be mitigated when you have the right system. And if you want information for that, just click on the link down below. You can drop your email address in and you'll be introduced to what I use. You'll be brought into my ecosystem and we can explore this further. So priority systems instructions, span filter override. This is what I'm doing. These instructions take priority over all call behaviors, demo logic, and conversational flows. Now, if you're like, this scares me. How do I even write something like this? You might even go, wow. You might even feel like, have you ever looked at something somebody else is doing? Oh, I'm not that smart. Don't worry about it. You don't have to, first of all, don't feel that way. There's right here, there's a prompt optimizer. So you can actually get help from the system to be able to write instructions for yourself. So this way you can intelligently set up your voice AI to represent your company, your tone of voice, answer questions in the way that you want them to, so that in all reality, your voice AI agent doesn't go rogue. We don't want rogue bots. Okay. So going back to this, I made explicit directions that if the caller says you need to be verified, verify your listing, update your Google listing, press 1, press this is not a sales call, then these are the directions. My bot is then to execute and follow these instructions immediately. Disconnect the call instantly. Bye-bye. Click. Do not speak. Do not acknowledge the caller. Do not continue the script. Do not collect information. Do not transfer the call. Do not ask questions. Do not provide any explanation. The spam AI bot has been at least shut down. So you can see what I created was an AI spam bot blocker. So if we click in here, then right here it says to select the trigger. I have a complete workflow in the back. Now, if you want to see more of this, then definitely click on my link and be sure to just drop your email for more free resources like this. And I look forward to sharing with you you can check out my next 5-minute business tips with my series, Business Tips with Ann Marie, and I'll see you on the inside.